What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. So today, y'all, this is like the most highly requested video. Well, not per se the most highly requested, but just doing a video with Courtland in general is a highly requested video. So I guess today I will finally give you what you're asking for. And today, oh, by the way, this is Courtland. This is my boyfriend.
I was waiting on that. My intro.
You can't introduce yourself. Today we're doing the
How well do you know me challenge?
I don't really want to call it that because it's not all of them. They're not really all about me.
Oh, well, how well do we know each other's lives? How much do we know about each other challenge? How much do we know about each other and our peers challenge? No,
I don't know. Y'all will see the title. Y'all will understand what we're doing. So I made 15 questions. Courtland made 15 questions. And so we're going to go back and... Should we go back and forth? Yeah, we're going to go back and forth, ask some questions, and we're going to see who gets what right. I'm going to keep a running tab at the bottom of the screen. But this is not just for fun. We got to do something to make it interesting. So with that being said, there's going to be a consequence for the loser.
And what is that?
And in order for us to choose, I'm going to basically run a poll on social media, and whichever one wins is what it is.
What's the option?
So option number one, let me do it while I'm typing. Let me say them while I'm typing. So the loser has to crack an egg on head.
And not end.
You're right. I knew we were sending you to school for something. Option number two, get in cold shower. Come on now.
Take a shot of hot sauce. Yeah, don't mean no little baby cook. I mean, you gotta like if or lick mustard off of the counter. I gotta like a line of mustard, and you gotta lick that whole line up. Oh,
that's gonna be bad for you because I don't mind mustard.
Oh, you're not gonna get none of these. That's how I'm coming with that heat.
No, he's trying to change his question.
Oh God, I'm not changing nothing.
We're gonna flip the coin, heads or tails. Whoever get it right, get to decide who go first.
Yeah, I was gonna say yeah.
Call it.
Tails.
Tails.
I would like for you to go first.
Like me ask my question first?
Yeah.
All right. Question number one. What is my brother's middle name?
Jamal. Ding! Make sure you put that one at the bottom for me. Ding! Now watch how I pop off with an L. What is my grandparents' name? I'm talking about my mama and my mama daddy. What are
you ain't never talked about your mama daddy. No, that don't count. Cause I promise you. All right.
What are my grandparents' name? Okay, what's my grandma's name? I just
I know it. I gotta get it.
And I talk about this one. It's on my arm, but you're not finna look.
Shirley. Okay,
what's the granddad name?
You don't say his name.
And that's strike one for you. So scope 1 to 0. His name is Charlie.
No, I put it on every. See, okay, this is what we playing. We playing games we ain't never told each other.
Yeah,
right.
No, don't switch nothing up.
All right, no, cause I ain't never heard that name
yes,
before.
Yes, I have.
Y'all, he is lying.
Okay, you scared now? You get scared.
How many credit hours am I taking this semester?
First of all,
ain't no question. Answer the
question. Did
question.
you get into that online class? You taking 12?
And And
No, that's right.
I'm taking 15 credit hours.
No, last time we talked, you were taking 12.
I told you I got into that class. You just don't listen.
Nah.
You just don't listen. I'm taking 15 credit hours this semester.
What hospital was I born at?
Have you told me this?
Yes, and we had the whole talk about it downstairs. Remember, because me and Cam was born at this. We had a whole discussion about all this when we was planning that little game. Yes, come on with it. Yeah, you thought I was finna come with some basic questions.
Peachtree. The Cat Medical.
The fuck?
I don't know.
Georgia Baptist. Well, it's called Atlanta Medical Center now.
Oh no.
So, hold on. What's the score?
You keep your own score. What was the very first color I tried in my hair before?
Come on now, stuff like that.
Nope.
Cause you could have tried before I even knew you.
Answer the question.
It was. See, nah, I feel like this not on your list.
Yeah, I put on everything.
Oh, okay, let me see. Brown.
Nope.
What was it?
Blonde.
I wanted to say that. I wanted to say.
Nope. It was blonde.
What was the name of my little league baseball team that I played on growing up?
The Red Sox.
Damn! Damn, why y'all? I thought that was an automatic edge.
Don't forget I got that t-shirt.
Oh no, that don't count.
Yes,
that
it
don't
do.
count. Then she got.
Don't forget I got that t-shirt.
I thought that was an automatic. Like, okay, you got that one.
What was my very, very, very first cell phone?
T, come on now. You had a flip phone.
Incorrect. I had a Nokia.
Oh my, how am I supposed to know that?
Corla, I talk about having my
Man.
little Nokia all the time. That was my phone I had in 5th grade. My daddy had first bought me a phone. I talk about that all the time. He trying to find the hard questions.
My shit ain't that hard like I thought it was.
Mm-hmm.
What 3 sports did I play growing up?
Baseball, football. What other sports is it?
You probably done said one that I did play. I just never talked about it 'cause I probably wasn't good at it.
Boy, shut up. You ain't play nothing else. It's just them two.
That's your final answer?
Mm-hmm.
Damn! That was a trick question. God damn!
I got this!
Oh, God.
I got this!
That was another one I could check as an automatic X that I'm
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a trick question, put it as 3.
Like, why he playing with me? Like, I know this. I do this for a living. I do this. I listen. I do this for a living. When did I first start getting my nails done? And why?
You was in 10th grade. And then why? Ain't no why to it. It's just you wanted your nails done.
Incorrect. I started getting my nails done in 11th grade.
I wanted to say that.
And it's because my mama wouldn't let me. She said they was
Oh,
too
I
long.
know that was the reason. I thought you meant like what was the reason she finally let you. No, you asking
And,
me.
okay, so why did she let me?
Because like she just said this time.
No, it's because it's because I had my own job, and so I said you can't tell me what I can and cannot pay for with my own money.
Nah,
you are terrible.
Because I ain't expect no shit like this.
You talking about, oh, my question's coming hard. My question's coming hard.
And I want to say, what was this nickname my mama called me growing up?
Stump.
Oh my God, bro!
Do you really think I didn't know that?
Yeah.
She called you that all the time.
I didn't think you. Oh my God, I lost. I lost.
You really?
Yes, I
when I
yes.
met your house, she called you that.
But I
every
didn't think
time.
I didn't even know she called me
And
that
I used
much.
to call you that, and Darius called you that.
I know. See, I ain't know you.
Like,
Oh my God, man, I lost. Let's just quit.
No, come on.
The rest of them, the gimmies, like you
No,
feel, I
come
made
on.
a list of. I could make all of them hard, and the ones I thought was hard.
When was my first sew-in?
11th grade. 10th grade prom.
Like you already said
10th grade
11th.
prom.
And no, that's still wrong.
Well, 10th grade though.
I didn't even go to prom in 10th grade.
Oh, you showed then. 10th grade.
It don't matter. Y'all heard he said 11th
10th grade.
No,
10th grade. My favorite ice cream flavor.
Vanilla.
Nope. Cookies and cream.
Oh, yeah.
X.
Yeah, you're right. It is right. What's my favorite color?
Hold on. Okay, you know you done changed it a couple times. Pink. What's my worst habit?
The step back.
Oh my God.
And if y'all don't know what the step back is, well, that's gonna be another story for another time.
Oh,
And then I start wearing contacts.
High school.
It's not specific.
10th grade. Bro, 11. 9. 9th grade. Yeah.
Too late.
No,
How do you throw out 3 answer choices?
No. What am I allergic to? You might not never known this, but what am I
allergic to? Nothing. Like what? What? When did I start wearing glasses?
Shit, like 4th grade.
Look at you! Look at you!
But what was the first time I had to get stitches? Not the second one, but the first one. I mean, it was only like 2 stitches, but still, what was the first time I had to get stitches?
Why you ain't ask this? Because I thought I really forgot that you even had stitches before.
Oh, for real? Yeah, because the facial hair covering it up.
Yeah.
Can't really see it
yeah.
no more.
It was like right here.
Yeah, but what was the first time? And don't say I never talked about this one. This is not the only one I talked about.
It probably is.
Okay. What was the first time?
Your leg. Because you do got a scar on your leg. It's on your leg.
Bro, this is the only time I ever got stitches. Trick question.
I was gonna say that.
That right there, we thought I posed to have, but we just.
What was my position in SGA in high school?
Treasurer. Boom. What number did I wear in Little League baseball growing up?
I'm scared. It's either between 3 numbers.
What's the numbers?
10, 15, and 11.
Wrong.
What was it?
21.
What was my favorite show on Nickelodeon growing up?
SpongeBob. Everybody.
What? I hate SpongeBob.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I was just playing. That was a joke.
I'm gonna just go ahead and let you do it again. Cause I know you're gonna get it wrong.
Rugrats.
What? No.
What?
It was it was 2 options. Either Zoe 101
Oh my god.
or Ned's Declassified. And I talk about that all the time, so incorrect. What you typing? Questions?
McDonald's today. If I was to go to McDonald's today.
Chicken sandwich plain.
And
What was the question? Just ask the question.
What would be my meal?
What? Yes, you would.
As of right now, I ain't got a plain chicken sandwich. My meal be them chicken tenders. I done got chicken tenders.
You
like
didn't say right now.
I did just say
You
right
didn't say
now.
right
Run
now.
the camera back.
All right, hold on, y'all.
If I was to go to McDonald's today.
Whatever. And this has to be very specific
No.
in order to get it right. Describe an outfit that I would wear if I was going out in the winter. Very specific.
I mean, technically.
Very specific. Just go ahead.
Okay, if you was going...
Don't try to look in my closet.
I can look over there. Okay, if you was going out in the winter, you would probably... Okay, first of all, you would have on some type of pants.
That's not specific.
Okay, you would have on like... let me see. You would probably have on some jeans. If you got some.
I'm not saying that. I'm just going to wait till you finish it all.
Okay, you'll probably have on some jeans. And then you'll have on like a... You'll have on like... Even though this is winter, you'll still have... You might have on like some type of short shirt, like a crop top or something. And put like... And you'll have like some type of jacket on top of it. And you'll probably wear some Uggs.
What the fuck?
Or either some thigh-high boots.
It's one or the other.
Thigh-high boots.
What
was I wrong with that? Because you still be wearing them little short shirts and you be like, it's going to be hot in there, so I don't care. Yeah.
Okay. Jeans. I'll give him jeans. And I'll give him a crop top. But it would be like a long sleeve crop top.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of. Like
I said be specific. It'd be a long sleeve crop top, and I would never wear Uggs.
I said
ever wear Uggs.
I know. I had to think about that.
To a party or a club. I did that one time freshman year, and my Uggs got destroyed.
Yeah, that's why I said thigh-high boots.
Once again, I would not wear heels going out unless it was a special occasion. Your feet are going to be killing by the time you get home.
Name every middle school I went to. I done told you this so many times. So, what you adding? What you typing?
I'm putting an X. There you
go. What, every middle school?
North Clayton. Jonesboro. Cedar Grove. That's it.
Oh man, that was because see, I asked you a question I know we done talked about several times.
Check. That's the purpose. You're supposed to ask something that I should know.
I mean, I didn't want.
If I could only eat one type of food for the rest of my life, what would it be? And you better think before you speak.
Mexican. And Mexican.
No.
Soul food.
No. Seafood.
What's my zodiac sign?
Gemini.
Damn, see, shit like that I already knew it'd be too easy.
What's three of my pet peeves?
I mean, you got like 30 on them, so I could just name any 3. You hate smacking. You hate loud car noises. And you hate repeating yourself.
Good job. Go ahead.
How many siblings do my mama have?
3. And she made 4. What are my favorite type of shoes?
Slides. If I could meet anybody in the world, who would it be?
LeBron James. So I won. So stop playing. Let's go ahead and look at these
What y'all?
results.
I hope it ain't the mustard.
Okay, y'all. So I clearly won. So Sweetie here has to do has a consequence to do. But since I just posted it and it's 10 o'clock in the morning and people are in class and you know people still asleep, so we're gonna leave this up to like what you say 12.
Yeah, I'm finna say 12 or 1.
We're gonna leave it up to like 12 because by 12 everybody should be up by then. So then we'll decide on what he has to do. Doesn't it suck to lose? Until then, be right back. No.
Oh, be right
Be
back.
right back. Okay, guys. So it is. Let me show y'all the time. It's 12:03 right now. So we're about to figure out what Cortland is about to do. They say 12 votes for the shower and 2 votes for the egg. Then they say 17 votes. Look, you trying to pour it out still. Stop trying to pour it out. 17 votes for the hot sauce and 5 votes for the mustard.
Alright, when I be shitting in your room, I wanna hear shit.
I'm just gonna stand fast. Let me show them which one you got. Texas Pete hot sauce. I let him vote between Red Hot and Texas Pete, and he decided on Texas Pete. So go ahead and get him your little loser speeches.
You
Give him your
know,
speech.
this is nothing to a real nigga, you feel me?
Who's a real nigga?
Me.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You just gotta do it.
No.
Go ahead. Don't smell it.
Oh.
You asked for
Cause
it.
you automatically
Just
lose.
go ahead. Oh! Back up some. How I feel? How you feeling? How you feel? Go ahead, tell us now.
Watch your back is all I'm gonna say. Like, you feel me? Like,
But did I get you to?
yeah, it's all well done, but all I'm gonna say.
You coming harder?
Like, I'd rather that happen than like, now I put you up there worse. Man, you gotta watch your back.
I don't really want no Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stop working.